Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio, and we're getting ready to put another car on the lot. Wanted to share it with you. This is a 2019 Hyundai Elantra. Now this is the SEL trim package. It's a nice car, black exterior. We'll do a quick walk around and show you the inside. The inside's got black cloth interior. Take a little time on this. Now we did put two brand new tires and a strut on this car. It does have a backup camera, which is right there. And let's take a look at the trunk. Okay, here we've got the trunk open, and I tell you what, it's very, very clean back here. So we will continue doing our walk around. Go here on the driver's side. A lot of shine on this car. Now, you do have a feature that is built into your mirrors here. It's lane detection. So basically what will happen, when you have the car actually has sensors on the back on both sides, and whenever you do have a car that's coming up beside you, this will illuminate right there, light up on both mirrors, and it will let you know that you have someone that's coming around you. So here we are showing you the interior. Like I said, it is cloth, black in color. And get up here and show you the headliner. Let's go ahead and hop up front. Okay, here we are showing the front of it. Go over here and show you it's got black door panels, your window and lock controls. And you can see a few features right here. Let's go ahead and hop on inside. Okay guys, here we are on the inside. Had the sun come out, so it's putting a little bit of glare on this. Hope you can see this well. Show you the command center LCD, climate control, your gear shifts, couple cup holders. Let's get in here on the instruments a little closer, and you can see as of now the mileage on this Elantra is 29,249 miles. Now you do have Bluetooth connectivity with your smartphone right here. You can control your volume, and you can even initiate a call and end a call. And on the right hand side of your steering wheel, you do have controls for your cruise control, intermediate wipers, which is right here. And we'll go over here. Now the car does have a backup camera. I'll go ahead and drop it in reverse. And there it engages your camera on the back. I'll put it back in park. So you can control everything right here with your touch screen. And we'll scroll down here. We'll show you the climate control, fan speed, temperature control, gear shift. Very attractive trim, like a titanium collar, two cup holders, and then the storage area right here. But show you the interior on the passenger side, and there's your back seat area. Well guys, that concludes our tour of our 2019 Hyundai Elantra SEL trim package. If you have any questions, just feel free to touch base with us. We've got a lot of financing options available, lenders that are eager to loan money. So a lot of these can be purchased with no down payment or even very small down payment. So with that, I hope you have a great day.